Hey guys, have you ever been in a situation where you've been enjoying scrolling through Facebook, but then you have a sudden thought, maybe you should log into some other account, maybe your business account, just to check out some notifications? And what you do is you add a tab, you visit facebook.com, just in this case, because I'm just giving you an example, it could be any other social site. And then what you see is this. You're already logged in, and that's a big problem because the only possible way to log into your desired account is to log out and then put in your credentials and log in back, right? And that's the most lengthy and the most terrible way you can follow, trust me. And if you make it to the end of this video, you'll know perfectly what is the solution to this. So just watch this video the complete and without skipping it. And without further ado, let's get started. Hey guys, it's your boy Baro Screens and you're watching TrueNetRef. Let's begin. So I believe you might have gotten clue what this video is about. In this video, I'm gonna share with you a very cool tool that you can use, by which you can log into multiple social accounts in the same browser. By just adding a tab, you can log into any social account that you want in any it could be any account, right? If you're using your personal Facebook account, you can switch on a new tab and then you can log in back to your business account, or it could be any other account, right? Maybe your friends or your mom's or your dad's, anyone's. You can log into anyone's account without changing the profile, and you can be logged in simultaneously in both the tabs. So it's that cool, right? And I know it might have interested you by now, so do hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And now let's continue with the video. So the tool that I'm talking about is Sandwin, and it's a productivity tool that has been designed to enhance your productivity, to save you some time and to make your life easier. And just talking about this, let me tell you that it's completely free of charge. Yes, you heard it right, it's completely free, and you can use this just as a Chrome extension on your browser, and it does the job for you just as you'd expect it would. And let me tell you that however, you get to see our pro plan here, and it's super cheap. It's ridiculously cheap. You can get the highest package that you have here, right? The highest plan that you have here is just $6.99 a month, and that's like super cheap. However, it's not required that you do get a pro plan. You can already do good with the free plan, because free plan has lots of things to offer. Okay, so we'll discover all of this when I take you to my computer screen. So without further ado, let's jump right into my computer screen. Alright guys, now I'm on my computer screen, and as you can see over your screens, this is the website, this is the tool that's gonna help us log into multiple accounts in the same browser. Right in the home page, you can see it says the future of browsing. Of course, that is a futuristic thing, of course. So let me just give you a first look of the website. You can see it's a pretty cool website, very well built. And as you can see, they've just given a short demo of how this acts. You have multiple tabs open and different accounts open simultaneously, right? So you can read some of the features. I'll put the link of this right there in the description. You can go check it out, and let's just talk about our business. Okay, so first thing what you gotta do here is just click on this button that says install Chrome extension. Next, you'll be redirected to the Chrome web store page where you can have Sandwin, and you can just click this button that says add to Chrome, and it'll just do the job for you. Here you can see it's being downloaded, and now it'll be added. There you go guys, it has now been added to Chrome. So we can just cut this, and it's now being added to our Chrome profile. So next, what we got to do is just click on this extension tool, and then you can have the Sandwin right over here. You can click on this pin icon, so it stays here. Okay, so now you can click over this. It'll now ask you to log in since we don't have any account, so we'll just click on this register. Now just fill in your details and just sign up. Okay, it's just a simple process that I believe that you can do on your own. Next guys, we're all done. Now click anywhere on the screen, it'll just go away. Okay, now let's go back to our Facebook. Okay, it could be anything, it could be Instagram too. Okay, I'm just taking Facebook as an example for this tutorial. Okay, I hope you'll be able to follow along it for rest of the sites too. Okay, so now what you gotta do is, now when you're on this site, just click back again on this Sandwin icon. Now you've got two options, one says temporary session and the other is a stored session. So right from the names you'll be able to guess that temporary session would just mean for a short duration, while the stored session is for a longer one. So what temporary session exactly does is that it doesn't store your information. I'm really sorry, it doesn't store your information, but what it does is that it's just for temporary, just like one time session that you can have. You can log into multiple accounts for just one time, and once you exit the browser, all your details are gone. While on the other hand, store session is something that's different. It is gonna store your data. It is gonna allow you to log in back without log in back to multiple accounts, even if you exit the browser for just the time you're using it, right? So this is what is meant by temporary and stored. So it's always preferred that you click upon stored session, but it's all on you, whichever you want to go for. Next you have the option to enter a name and then a group. Okay, so let's just give it a name for Facebook, and then let's just give it a group for social. Now next, click on add. So there you go guys, here's another tab of Facebook open. So here you can enter your details. Okay, let me just show you by logging into some other account. So guys, I just logged into one of my other accounts, so you can see it is the other account. At the same time, I'm able to use this account, which is this is my personal account that I'm using currently, and this was something that I used a long ago. I'm currently not active here, but yet I have the info saved. And also you can see the sandwich icon turns green here when you're using one of them. Okay, when you're using multiple accounts. So this is just how you do it. I hope you like the video. So guys, that's it for the video. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, do make sure to leave a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, do make sure to download and install this Chrome extension. All links there in the description, so that you don't have to move around anyone searching for this. All links available in the description, so just go ahead, install this and make your life easier. Okay, so with that being said, I'll see you in another video. Then make sure that you subscribe. Okay, you have to subscribe it. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Take care and keep learning to keep growing.